Today we have something really cool to talk about because this affects not only the Leatherman Surge, Bibury, Daicamping DL30, it really adds a new dimension, a new twist. By the end of this video, you're going to want this kit. Now, what this kit on Amazon does is it essentially gives you the option to add a scalpel blade to your Leatherman Surge, and I'll show you in a little bit exactly how to do that. But that's one of the huge advantages of this kit, but it does so much more. So let's go ahead, dive into this kit you can buy for only $20 off of Amazon. Now, recently, the new Bibury 2049 came out. This is the Surge clone or Surge type, however you want to call this. But it does have almost like these Leatherman free scales. It definitely adds maybe a little bit more comfort factor. A lot of people mention that. A lot of these other Leatherman Surge types had these skeletonized more type handles. So this one right here being a solid handle gives you more comfort perhaps in the grip. Maybe that was one of its best options. But one of the things it came with was it did come with a T-shank adapter. It came with the file, but it did come with a scalpel as well. Now, what this kit from Amazon does is it gives you, again, a lot of options for your tools. Now, some of you have asked me things like, all right, so we realize the Bibury has all this stuff. Does it work on the other Surge inspired tools? Yes, it does. It works in Bibury, SwissTech, Daicamping. All the ones I've tried, it does work. What we have, again, I just unboxed this. This comes directly out of the bag. What we have is this scalpel, first of all. So let's go ahead and move this to the side. We'll talk about that more in a little bit. We've got the scalpel. I just want to show you how this works. Again, this is SwissTech. So we have this, and then, there we go. Fits right in. Okay, so that's the SwissTech. Let's put that to the side. Let's bring in, this is the older version of the Bibury. Fits right in there as well. Then let's bring in the DL30. That sort of started off this whole thing and fits right there as well. So the scalpel definitely does a great job, fits in all these tools. So here we have the scalpel that comes with the Bibury kit right here. One of the things you'll notice about this is that it has very small cutouts. Let's go ahead, bring in this T-shank right here from Bosch. This is a cutting blade T-shank right here. This one right here, you'll notice the neck is a lot longer. That's what I'm calling this right above this T. What you need to do is simply extend, cut off the metal above here for it to fit in the Leatherman T-shank adapter. If you're enjoying this video, make sure to like and subscribe. I really appreciate it. So again, just to emphasize what I did, all you have to do is take out some of the metal above this part right here, extend it, then it fits in your T-shank adapter on your Leatherman Surge. Pretty happy with how it turned out. I was able to take out some of that material right there. Then it fits into, there we go, my Leatherman Surge. Get it right there, like that. Then you have a scalpel holder in your Leatherman Surge. So pretty happy with that. It doesn't take much time. You just have to grind a little bit off. It's the easiest solution that I have found yet for the Leatherman Surge. I think this is worth the $20 by far alone. The rest of the kit is simply extra incentive to buy it. Before we go on to the rest of the kit, I did want to mention that it looks like these are size 24 scalpel blades. This kit does come with 2 extra, so in total, you do get 3 scalpel blades in this Bibury kit. Let's move on to some of the other good things you get. You do get this diamond file That's pretty cool as well. Diamond file on one side, your normal file on the other. Again, this fits with all these Surge style clones. Pretty cool right there. They do come in these plastic kits right there. We have several. Actually, you get an extra scalpel blade. So in total, you get 4, I guess. Now, what we have right here is a saw blade right here. This is wood. We've got another saw blade or T-shank blade right here. That's another wood saw right there. We do also have this one as well. This is, again, a little too long to fit in your handle, but if you cut it off, it will close in your handle. All these will be too long to fit with the handle closed. Some of you have asked, how do I get blades to close that fit in these tools and close? Well, I had mentioned in the past, I have a video in the past about how I went to Harbor Freight. I went ahead, I found several, I think it's 3-inch saw blades that are T-shank or T-shank compatible. That's something you might want to remember that will work in your kit. So we have these 3 wood saw blades right there. Also, I thought this was sort of cool. It looks like we've got almost like a glass breaker tip right here, is what that looks like. Then a Phillips screwdriver. That's a great option. Then we have several wrenches right here. Now with these, let's see, these are actually so you can work on your tool, it looks like. That's pretty cool. This is so you can actually adjust these, on your tool. That's a great option. Then you do also have these wire cutters, these replaceable wire cutters. You get a set of these wire cutters. These, I think, help hold them in, add tension. Then you do also get the screws. You get the tool as well that comes with it. Then the last thing you get in this kit is you do get a metal, more like a hacksaw blade for the T-shank. Wow, I think this is a really good kit. It offers a lot of value. Now, the only negative I really see with this kit is this long saw, unfortunately, does not work in the T-shank adapter. It seems like it was just made a little bit too thick, perhaps. Maybe these tabs are a little bit too wide to fit in here. It needs just a tiny bit of grinding for it to work. I don't think it's a huge deal, but for some of you, that is something to remember, that this will need modded to fit into your T-shank adapter. Let's just sum up what we get in this kit. In this kit, we get 3 wood saws, we get a metal saw, we get a scalpel holder. We have 4 blades total. One of those is on the scalpel holder. We do have the glass breaker on one end, a Phillips screwdriver or Phillips bit on the other. We've got the diamond, the regular file. We've got 2 tools to help you tighten the pivot screws on your multi-tool. We have the replaceable wire cutters. We've got the tool, the screws that go with it. I think this is a fantastic tool set. Very happy with this. I think this is a great deal.